until we've given others a chance. Someone who's willing to talk with me for just a few minutes and help, as long as you stay with me, you'll earn a ticket. So just need someone who's willing to stay with me for a few. Brock.
Well, it says that you already have the derivative of f.
Oh, sorry, I messed up. I wanted. Yeah, let's go do this. We're fine. Keep going.
Okay. So
Yeah,
then
I found a mistake. Sorry.
You do the.
It's because you did the same thing.
Yeah, sorry.
The line maybe. You know.
Sign chart.
Yeah, that. Yeah.
So, hey, don't talk. Brock, it's critical that you know what we are sign charting. What are we sign charting?
For the positive and negatives.
Oh, true.
Zero.
No, that's right. What I want you to tell me is, what symbol should I draw here?
Oh, that's prime.
There we go.
X.
So we are making a sign chart of f prime. So keep going.
And then, well, 2 would equal 0 because 2 minus 2 is 0. And then everything else is 1. And then also negative 3 would also equal 0.
Keep going.
I think that's all the ones.
You're missing one. It's commonly missed. It's a really easy one. Don't forget it. What other value of x will cause this equation for f prime to equal 0?
0 is 0 times 0.
There we go.
That's 0 times 0.
Keep going, Brock. Now what do I do?
Okay, well, now you plug in, or you put ones like in between to find out where it's increasing and decreasing.
So just tell me what values you want to test.
Negative 4 and negative 2 and 1.
So we'll start with negative 4. If I put a negative 4 in for each of these x's, the first factor will equal positive or negative, Brock.
Positive.
The second factor.
Negative.
Third factor.
Negative.
Hence, f prime is
Positive.
perfect. You would have a question, please.
How come all the zeros are on the same line as opposed to having different lines for each factor?
Oh, no worries. Turns out this year I did something a little different. A Day saw one way to do a sign chart, B Day saw another. And you can do it either way. It really doesn't matter. It's like you pick the one that you like best. If you don't like the fact that it is A Day and B Day different, that's Logan's fault. So, just teasing. No, it's true, but it is teasing. Logan came in the day after the explanation and did a really smart thing. He said, hey, I'm not understanding this. And I thought, okay, let's try a different way of explaining it, see if it makes more sense. He liked the B Day way better. So that's why we have two explanations now. So what we did different, Isaac, is we just said, well, f prime, this is f prime, you good with that?
Yeah.
Has three factors. Therefore, I can identify three different values of f prime that will cause f prime to equal 0. I can do them separately. I can just kind of do them all together. Is that okay? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Awesome. Brock has a point, a ticket. If you want to earn a ticket, Isaac, just start talking from this point what you think we should do next so I can make sure you understand this method.
So you put a point between negative 3 and 0 for
Which point do you want?
negative 1.
So when we did it for your class, we would have had 3 rows that we were testing. Now we just test them as a group. So if you plug in negative 1 into this factor of f prime, is the result positive or negative?
Positive.
If you put negative 1 into this factor, is the result positive or negative?
Negative.
This factor?
Positive.
So then those 3 factors multiply, the final result is positive or negative?
Positive. Negative.
Which?
Oh, crap. Positive times a negative is a negative times a positive is negative. So.
There we go. Sound like the Katy Perry song. Okay, cool. Good there?
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yes. Although, have you found that is there a better way for certain problems or
No.
it's
Just two different ways. It seemed to click better for Logan. Like he seemed to be able to remember the idea better. than the other way, so that's why I decided to try this, so. What else do you want to test, Isaac?
One.
First of all, does anyone have a question? I don't want to go, you don't want to just watch me, it's not going to help. Gotta make sense. So if I plug a 1 into the first factor, the result is?
Positive.
Second factor?
Negative. Positive.
Hence, what goes here is?
Negative.
There we go. Keep going, Isaac.
And then 3.
First factor,
Positive.
second factor,
Positive.
third factor.
Positive.
The correct answer, Isaac, is?
1.
And what is the x-coordinate where f has a relative mass?
-3.
Perfect. Okay, we'll do 13 here in a second. Nice.
Is this question not hard?
It is not.
But why is there 1? What if there's a none? Then doesn't it go positive, negative, positive?
So, no, you have a good question. Look. So, Maggie, what's the goal of the problem?
Oh wait. No, you're right, because it changes from positive to negative, and it's f prime. I was thinking of f. We're fine.
No worries. Good work. What else? Okay, we're going to do 13 next because that's the one Logan really wanted. He just